Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stu's Reviews Unboxing. So today we've got a very special parcel from Amazon. Now I know a lot of stuff that I unbox is from Amazon, but today we're looking at actual Amazon things. So let's get it open. And by the way, I might add, this hasn't been handled that well in the post. It doesn't look like it's had the most care taken out of it, which is not a problem. Let's get it open and have a look what's inside. Quite excited about this. Okay. So we've got one of these, the new Echo Dot. We've got one of these, the Echo Plus. We've got another one of these, another Echo Plus. And lastly, we've got something called the Echo Sub. So today, I'm going to unbox the new Amazon Echo / Alexa devices. So let's get started. Let's start with the Echo Dot. Now this is the third generation of the Echo Dot, and I'm quite excited for this because it's the first time the Echo Dot has a fabric outside. So let's have a look. Little pull tab there. Ooh, very nice. Oh, that's nice, that is. Very nice. They haven't changed the size that much. What's inside here? Let's have a look. So in the box we've got one of those. We've got some bits. Not really important. And we've got a white charger. And I think if you order the black one of these, because this comes in black and grey, it'll probably come with a black charger. But this is white. So let's have a look at this. Take this horrible stuff off. That is a nice design change. It's not too dissimilar to this one, which is the second generation. Oh, actually, that is quite a lot bigger. And the buttons on the top are raised as well. That is really quite nice. Well, the design change of that is very, very pleasant indeed. Right, let's put that over there for now, because what we'll do is we'll move on to the Echo Plus. Right, now this is their kind of premium speaker range, the Echo Plus. Now the previous one looked very, very, very much like one of those. This is actually the original Amazon Echo, but the Echo Plus looked very, very similar indeed. And it was always touted to be slightly better than the smaller ones they've got available, but this should be a nice update to that range. And I've gone for the same. Ooh, that's cool. Look at the way that comes out. It's the little things like that that I like. It kind of looks a bit like a lantern though. Okay, right, let's pop that out. Wow, you can see that is much smaller. Okay, so this is bigger than that, but this is smaller than that. Whether or not it makes, although saying that, actually the speaker part of it looks about the same. Okay, let's open this. Feels nice. The material feels very solid. It's a very solid build. Not too heavy as well. I quite like that. And it's got the same sort of design on the top, like that. And these are all the new microphone bits you can see on the top, all the little holes. Quite different from this, where the holes are right the way around, and on this where the holes are right the way around as well. So there's a bit of a design change for that. Now let's open the last one, the Echo Sub. Now this is probably the one that I'm most excited about, because this is quite heavy. And this is a brand new product to the range. So it's not a second generation or it's not a third generation. This is a first generation device. So let's have a look. before. Pop it open. Ooh. This comes with its own bag. Look at this. Got a handbag with this. Okay. Inside here we've got some instructions and a power cable. Not quite as nicely designed as the other power cables. Where's the other one? Let's put that down there for now. In here is a much nicer designed power cable. That to me looks a bit old school. But I can't complain. What we're here to do is have a look and see what this new thing looks like. So let's put these back down there and take it out of its handbag. Ooh. Wow. This is actually quite a heavy device. This is the base for some of these. Now the cool thing is this can work with either one of these or two of these, which is why I've got the second one, which we'll go into in the full review later this week, so stay tuned for that one. But my thoughts on this is it looks like a serious piece of kit. 360 degree gigantic base thing that weighs about as much as a small car. Overall, these are an incredible change to the lineup, certainly aesthetically anyway, but the key is, how do they sound? Truth is, I don't know. I've only just unboxed them. So over this next week, I'm going to be testing them out one by one to see how good they sound. And I'm going to be starting with this, the Echo Dot 3rd generation. So expect reviews to be dropping this week on all of these individual devices. And that's all from me today. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out the reviews of these when they're done. And I'll see you back for another episode of Stu's Reviews soon. Before you go, consider supporting me on my Patreon page by clicking here. It'll give you some great discounts on stuff I've reviewed and helps me to continue doing reviews. If you want to see some fun stuff, click here to see the highlights of Stu's Reviews. And, as a friendly reminder, click this button to subscribe.